How to use TaxSlayer. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use TaxSlayer. So filing taxes is one of those things most of us would rather avoid, but it's something we all have to do. So whether you're a student, a freelancer, a side hustler, or a small business owner, tax season can feel overwhelming between constantly changing tax laws, multiple sources of income, and dozens of possible deductions and credits. It's easy to feel lost in the paperwork. But the good news is that you don't have to do it manually. Modern tax software has completely changed the game, making it easier, faster, and more affordable to file taxes yourself. And one standard option in 2025 is TaxSlayer. It's built for real people, those with simple returns and those with more complex tax needs. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes TaxSlayer a top choice this year. From its user-friendly layout to its smart refund tools, we'll walk through the key features, benefits, and pricing so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. Let's start with the interface because ease of use really matters when you're filing taxes on your own. TaxSlayer features a clean, modern dashboard that guides you step by step. It doesn't dump a pile of IRS forms in your lap. Instead, it breaks the process into smaller, manageable chunks. You'll move from entering personal details to income deduction credits and finally to e-filing, all through clearly labeled sections. There are visual progress trackers so you know exactly how far along you are and where you left off if you need to return later. Even if you've never filed taxes before, the interface is designed to make you feel confident, not confused. It avoids technical language wherever possible and offers helpful tooltips if ever got stuck. Another huge advantage of TaxSlayer is its interview-style question system. Instead of scrolling through complex tax forms, you'll answer straightforward questions about your situation. For example, instead of asking you to file out a 1099 NEC, it might ask, did you receive income from freelance work or contract jobs? The system then automatically fills out the right forms based on your answers. It's simple, intuitive, and lowers the chances of making costly mistakes. This is perfect for people with less experience or those who just want to get through. It's also a great fit for those who have multiple income types, W-2, freelance gigs, investments, and need something that can handle all of it without extra stress. Next, let's talk about accuracy, because mistakes on your return can lead to delays or even penalties. TaxSlayer comes with built-in error detection that checks your information as you go. If you leave something blank or enter data that doesn't quite add up, the software flags it immediately. For example, if your numbers don't match what's expected based on your filing status, or if a required form is missing, you will see a notification before you submit. This gives you peace of mind and dramatically reduces your chances of rejection from the IRS or state agencies. One of the biggest time saves in TaxSlayer is how it handles W-2 uploads and per year returns. Instead of typing in every number manually, you can snap a photo of your W-2 or import it electronically. It reads the data for you and fills out the forms. You can also import last year's tax return even if it was done through a different service. This is especially handy if you're a returning user or want to make switching platforms easy. It saves time, reduces errors, and lets you skip the repetitive parts like re-entering the same employer or dependent info. Now let's talk about cost because not all tax software is priced the same and not everyone needs the same level of service. TaxSlayer offers 4 pricing tiers including a solid free edition for basic returns. If you're filing a simple W-2 with standard deductions, this might be all you need. But if you have self-employment income, rental properties, or investment gains, their classic, premium, and self-employed plans are still very affordable, especially compared to some of the big-name competitors. You only pay for what you need and there's no pressure to upgrade unless your tax situation actually requires it. TaxSlayer also includes built-in tools that work behind the scene to help you get the biggest refund possible. The platform checks multiple deduction scenarios and applies the one that saves you the most money. It even highlights credits you may qualify for, like the Earned Income Credit child tax credit or education related deductions, so nothing is missed. This isn't guesswork, it's built in logic designed to help you claim every legal deduction and credit you're eligible for. Next, let's talk about support option. Filing taxes can still raise questions even with great software. That's why TaxSlayer provides solid customer support options. Depending on your plan, you'll have access to live chat, email assistance, or even help from licensed tax professionals. This makes a huge difference if you're dealing with unique tax situations like claiming expenses for your business or handling retirement income. It's support when you need without waiting hours on the phone or digging through help articles. So, why TaxSlayer is a smart choice? A sleek and simple interface is provided by TaxSlayer, a step-by-step guided filing, smart error checks, W-2 and per year import, affordable plans, built-in refund tools. Built-in refund tools also access to real human support. So, filing taxes can be a stressful experience, especially with the ever-changing tax laws, multiple income sources like freelance gigs or side jobs, and the wide range of deductions and credits available. So that's where TaxSlayer stands out. It has a modern tax software solution designed to simplify the filing process for individuals, students, self-employed professionals, and small business owners. With its clean, intuitive interface, users are guided step by step through each section, answering plain language questions instead of decoding complex IRS forms. It features real-time error detection to catch mistakes early, supports fast W-2 uploads and per-year imports, and offers tiered pricing including a free version for basic returns. Advanced and support options include live chat and professional tax help depending on your plan. So whether you're having a straightforward W-2 or complex self-employment income, TaxSlayer makes it easy to file accurately, confidently, and affordably, making it one of the best DIY tax filing options available this year. So whether you're a college student filing a simple return, a parent claiming dependents, or a freelancer navigating multiple 1099s, TaxSlayer has a plan that fits. It's powerful enough for complex returns, but simple enough for anyone to use, no tax background required. It helps you save time, avoid mistakes, and potentially increase your refund. Plus, TaxSlayer has earned a strong reputation over the years for being transparent, reliable, and user-first. You won't get hit with surprise charges halfway through, and pricing structure is clear from the start. So if you're considering giving TaxSlayer a try, head over to their website to explore the 4 pricing plans. You'll find a full breakdown and feature comparison so you can pick the one that suits your situation. And if this video helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know if you have any questions or if there is anything tax tool you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and here's to a stress-free tax season.